Today we are going to make the most trending Dalgona coffee. For that we need coffee. It needs to be instant coffee. Now the ratio for all the ingredients is usually 2:2:2, but we are going to use 2 spoons of coffee and 3 spoons of sugar and 2.5 spoons of warm water. Let's add the coffee first. So we are taking 2 spoons of coffee and 3 spoons of sugar and 1, 2 and half spoon of warm water. We are using a whisker here. You can use a hand blender. We have to mix the mixture and blend it for almost 15 to 20 minutes. You have to continuously mix it. So you have to keep mixing till it changes color. Tilt the bowl and start whisking. Now we can see the color changing. It has to be thick in consistency, thick as it should stay on the whisker. So keep beating. So now it's ready. You can see it is not coming off the whisker. That means it's ready. Now we'll place it in the jar. So now we'll add ice cubes to a jar of cold coffee. I have taken 1 glass of milk. You can add sugar to the milk if you like. Now we'll place our coffee into the jar. So our Dalgona coffee is now ready. Please do like and share the recipe and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon.